Hello, Gelato Familia. It's George, the Disney Italiano, coming to you with another video. And today, we got a little bit of kind of a sneak peek of the new Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster. Not even just like the track layout, but the actual ride. Um, the ride layout. So there's an animation that was created to kind of show you how the ride is actually going to look and see through the optic lens of the rider. And it was compliments of Mondo from Five Fires. Follow him on YouTube and social media. And I actually have the video up. Courtesy through Twitter, aka X. And I thought, you know what? Let's do a little video and we'll watch it together. And so I'm going to share my screen. And again, this is compliments of Mondo from Five Fires. And I do believe Mondo posts the credit of who actually created this video format at the end of the video. All right, so let's get watching. Okay, so it starts off kind of slow. Ooh, and then it just okay shoots down. I actually thought it was going to go a little bit more faster. Oh, hello. And that kind of gave off some like Cosmic Rewind vibes, but kind of like where you're kind of upside down while you're turning. Oh, see, like that's like Cosmic Rewind. Like they're turning the vehicle right on the right and going around the track like that. Okay, yeah, and then Mondo gives the credits to. Okay, I mean, just by watching it, I mean, it looks thrilling. I can't imagine what that's going to feel like in real life. Riders per hour, 1,800. Max trains on circuit. Okay, 6 trains at 78 miles per hour. Max height 180 feet. Wow. Okay. Well, I have to say that was wow. Okay, yeah. So we also got a little bit of information there too. So there's going to be 6 train cars out at once. It can reach up to 78 miles per hour, and again with a speed like that, while you're rotating in the vehicle. And again, it's not just where you're on the track and you're rotating; they're rotating you again at the most vulnerable time when you're going through kind of like the banked loop curves of the track. I mean, that's gonna tied with the speed, as I said, the G-force and the inertia are probably going to go off the charts with this. As I said, it's definitely Cosmic Rewind uh, on steroids for sure. Again, this wasn't going to be a long video. I just wanted to kind of come on, share the video with you guys, watch it. Kind of, you guys can kind of see what my initial reaction is. But definitely comment down below in the comments. Tell me what you think. Are you interested? Are you not? What do you think of what the essentially the ride layout is going to look like? I'm very curious to hear all your thoughts on it. As I said, this was not going to be a very long video. It was just something short and sweet, just like Sabrina Carpenter, her album, folks. That I just want to again kind of share with you, give my overall thought process on it, and that way we could watch and react together. So yes, please like, subscribe to Hollow Gelato. Follow us on social media on Instagram, Hollow Gelato, and again, comment down below your personal thoughts, opinions, ideas of like what this ride could essentially feel like or be like, would love to hear from you. And I'm George, the Disney Italiano. And as I always say in Disney Italiano fashion, stay safe, stay healthy, stay. Uh oh, wait a minute. I did it again. It's all universal, baby.